In a heartfelt gesture of compassion and global awareness, students of MM School came together to pray for countries affected by war. Reflecting the school's commitment to nurturing empathy and responsibility, the students stood in quiet solidarity with those facing conflict, especially children whose lives have been shaken by fear and loss. Their prayers carried a shared hope for an end to war, for the return of peace, and for a safer, brighter future for every child.
Let every child live in peace, for world peace and protection of children from conflict. Dear friends, teachers, and all my brothers and sisters, today we come together with open hearts. We are the children of Madagandapalli Model School. We believe every child has the right to smile, to play, to study, and to live without fear. Today, we pray for peace in our world. We pray especially for the children who are caught in the fighting between USA, Israel, and Iran. Let us begin with love and hope. We close our eyes and feel the light of peace inside us. We send this light to every corner of the world. Please repeat after me. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Let there be peace on earth.
Prayer for ending wars. O God of all nations, you created this beautiful world for us to live as one family. But today, guns are firing and bombs are falling. Mothers are crying, fathers are worried, and little children are hiding in fear. We pray, stop the fighting between USA, Israel, and Iran. Turn the hearts of leaders from anger to understanding. Replace weapons with peace. Let the schools open again instead of shelters. Let playgrounds be filled with laughter instead of silence. We believe that peace begins with us, with every child choosing kindness today. Please repeat after me. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
Let there be peace on earth.
Let there be peace on earth.
அமைதியின் தூதனாய் என்னையே மாற்றுமே, அமைதியின் தூதனாய் என்னையே மாற்றுமே, அன்பனே இறைவனே என்னிலே வாருமே, அமைதியின் தூதனாய் என்னையே மாற்றுமே. பகைமை உள்ள இடத்தில் பாசத்தை வளர்க்கவும், பகைமை உள்ள இடத்தில் பாசத்தை வளர்க்கவும், வேதனை நிறைந்த மனதில் மன்னிப்பு வழங்கவும், கலக்கம் அடையும் வாழ்வில் நம்பிக்கை ஊட்டவும், அமைதியின் தூதனாய் என்னையே மாற்றுமே.
for children in the conflict zones. We especially remember the children of Israel, Palestine, Iran, and all nearby lands. Some are our age, some are younger. They want the same things we want: to go to school, to hug their parents, to sleep without fear. Dear God, protect them under your loving arms. Keep them safe from bombs and bullets. Give them food when they are hungry, water when they are thirsty, hope when they feel hopeless. Let every child in the war zone feel that the whole world is holding their hand. We send our love across the oceans and deserts to every frightened child tonight. You are not alone. We are praying for you. Kindly repeat after me. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Let there be peace on earth.
Prayer of healing and unity. O loving God, help the heart that have been hurt by war. Heal that land that have been scarred by fighting. Teach all countries to talk instead of fight. Help the leaders remember that every child is precious, no matter which country they belong to. We promise to grow up as peacemakers. We will share, we will listen, we will respect every religion and every language. In our school, we already learned this. Now let the whole world learn to. Let every nation become a friend and every child become peace. Repeat after me. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Let there be peace on earth.
Dear friends, our prayer is ending, but our work of peace is just beginning. Let us carry this peace in our hearts every day. Let us be kind to every person we meet. Let us study well, because educated children build peaceful nation. We thank all the teachers and elders who protect us every day. We thank God for the gift of life and the gift of beautiful school. We now send our final prayers. May no child ever suffer because of war again. May peace come soon to the lands of USA, Israel, and Iran. May peace come to every home in the world. We are the children of peace. We are the future of peace. Kindly repeat after us. Om
Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Let there be peace on earth. Let there be peace on earth. Let there be peace on earth.
Nobody wants to die, that's for sure. So can you tell me what war is for? Mr. President, I know you're a clever man. Please can you tell me in words I'll understand? No mother on earth wants to lose her own child out on some cold battlefield. So why must soldiers go marching in rank and file and terrorize and murder? I'm asking you once more. Tell me what war is for. Mr. President, I know I'm only 9, but I'm frightened in a forest of missiles, tanks, and mines. You tell me to run for shelter whenever the sirens blow. All my life is put shoot each other dead. Come on now, dumb is that? Tell me what war is for. And did you ask all the billions of people all around the globe if war was ever gonna help them to ease their heavy load? Or did you just ask your cronies how much money they all could make to adorn their wives with jewelry while sowing the seeds of hate? Or is it still about religion and which God rules above? If there is or there isn't a heaven, I thought that the message was love. Or are there any other reasons for causing so much pain? Well, I guess that I'm just too young, and I'll understand in a while. I guess I'm still too young. 'Cause I'm just a child.
Through moments like these, MM School continues to instill values of kindness, unity, and humanity, shaping students into compassionate and socially conscious individuals.